Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XRP around, and today, I'm walking you through a full guide on how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Metamask. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both an Uphold account with XRP in it and a Metamask wallet set up. If you haven't added the XRP network to Metamask yet, head over to the network settings and add the XRP ledger details. You'll need the network name, RPC URL, and chain ID. Don't worry, I'll link resources in the description for that. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Navigate to your XRP wallet by going to the Assets section and selecting XRP. Once there, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Click on it to start the process. Step 2. You'll need to enter the destination address. Open your Metamask wallet on your browser or app, switch to the XRP network if you haven't already, and copy your XRP wallet address. Paste this into the withdrawal field on Uphold. Double check that it's correct. Crypto addresses are case sensitive. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are still super cheap, but fees can vary. Review the details, and if everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Step 4. Sit tight while the transfer processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the network. Once it's done, head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your XRP balance updated. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.